Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be comparing LearnDash with LearnPress. They're two great WordPress solutions if you want to build a course membership type website. They've definitely got some differences. I'll be going through the key elements in this video. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So in this video, we're going to be comparing LearnDash with LearnPress and what are the key differences. I plan to keep this video tight. I'm not going to go through everything, but just the key fit elements. So LearnDash has been one of the leading ways of building a membership, a e-learning business on WordPress for almost over 10 years now. LearnPress is slightly younger. I think it started about 6-7 years ago. One of the major differences is that with LearnPress, or LearnDash, I should say, is that you do require a membership plugin to take subscriptions. It will work with WooCommerce. They do offer a free add-on that will work with WooCommerce, but to take subscriptions through WooCommerce, you need another add-on, a paid add-on. Now, with LearnPress, the free version, and you don't get a free version with LearnDash, is that you can't take subscriptions either. You've got to buy LearnPress Pro. Now, LearnPress Pro is actually more expensive than LearnDash. But like I say, with LearnDash, you've got to buy a membership plugin to take subscriptions if you're not going to go down the WooCommerce route. Can you see where the confusion starts? But hopefully I've cleared the main differences. Now, the strength of LearnDash is that you get a lot of functionality for $199. They don't offer a free version. Now, with LearnPress, you got the free version, but the reality is if you want to make money from it or take subscriptions, you got to buy LearnPress Pro. Now, they have two versions. The normal price for LearnPress, the basic version, is around $210. They do discount it for the first year, but I'm going with the normal price here. And then they've got a higher version, which they sell for $799, I think. Now, like I say, with LearnDash, you get everything for $199, which really I think is a bargain. Now, like I say, the problem is you've got to buy a membership plugin with it. I would go with Sure Members as my membership plugin. There are other ones that work with LearnDash. MemberPress is really popular, but I wouldn't use that myself with LearnDash. Like I say, I would go with Sure Members. It's not as feature rich as some of the other membership plugins, but it's got a good balance and it's at a good price. Now, when it comes to LearnPress, it has got some problems. The actual coding of the plugin itself, I don't feel is at such a high standard as LearnDash. Other people will disagree with me there, but that's my honest opinion. And I have found that people that have consulted with me have complained about the support standards with the free or the pro version. The documentation isn't fantastic either. But there's another factor that really goes against LearnPress, and it's nothing to do with them really. It's to do with another learning management plugin out there called Lifter LMS. Now with Lifter, unlike LearnDash, they offer a free version, and for around $149 you can buy an add-on that will give you Stripe integration, and it's all inbuilt and it works fantastic. And the other thing that Lifter LMS has is fantastic support. For the free or the paid versions, they do offer some bundles like their Earth bundle and their Universal bundle, where you're buying a certain group of commercial add-ons. And to be fair to LearnPress, that's their model. But I just feel that if you're looking for a free LMS and you're out on the market, you're going to be better off with Lifter LMS. Now, I'm going to roughly end this video because, like I say, I don't want it going too long. I've written an article, you find the link in the description, that goes through everything in a lot more detail, gives you all the prices, links, and gives you a lot more detail. Like I said, you'll find that in the video description. Now, this does do a summary. I think LearnPress is attacked at two ends, really. If you're really looking for a mature plugin and you've got a kind of established business and you're looking for the flexibility of WordPress, you're probably going to go with LearnDash. And as long as you're aware that it doesn't do the subscription and you get a good membership plugin like Sure Members, you're going to be very happy. And to be quite truthful, LearnDash do their own membership plugin, but I prefer a third-party one. If free, because you've got a very limited budget and you're just testing out your membership and you're attracted to LearnPress, I would go with Lifter LMS. I think it's a much better coded plugin and it offers much better support on the free, or if you buy one of their add-ons or buy one of their add-on packages. I know the team behind that, and like LearnDash, you get great support. If you need any more information about this, you can also book a free consultation with me for half an hour, and you can get that by going to the WP-Tonic website, and there's a booking link right in the top navigation. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.